dil ki baat. Over to you, Toastmaster Anmol.
Okay. So guys, at times, men's fashion can really be a very quirky thing. Of course, you don't have much options to run into, except a fine pair of jeans, a fine pair of t-shirt, or a shirt. But wearing beige colored pants along with good navy blue semi-formal shoes, a watch with a golden dial on your hand, and a pristine white shirt surely requires some good, or I would say some decent amount of fashion sense. And to be really honest, Toastmaster Samir Agarwal has it. Guys, Toastmaster Samir Agarwal is the immediate past president and my mentor in Yellow House. I remember our first meeting at Triveni Cafe. I said something to Samir. Oh, Samir, I think I am having some kind of a problem with the content and all of that. And before this, I have always seen people doing, when I say something, they are like, Are tu ye karna, are tu wo karna, are ye XYZ, ABC. Do this, do that. But Samir Agarwal was a different guy. He sat with his spine erect and he was listening. He was like, सुन रहा हूँ मैं, तू बोलता रहे. Well, it looks like, okay, it's simple on the outside, but not really very much on the inside. It is an important skill when it comes to public speaking and as well as communication, general communication, and that is effective listening. Effective listening, my friends, has really helped me to become a better public speaker. The second one is, encapsulate many features. And we in Yellow House have our meetings, like whenever a speaker has his or her speech, we tell him or her that probably you should give your speech in the unofficial Yellow meet and then go ahead with your speech in the formal meeting. So what happens is after the speech is finished, everyone is like, Samir is the best evaluator. I'm sure about it. And he's like, in middle of the evaluation, he's like, okay, Anmol, अरे अब तू बोलना है यार, तू क्या करेगा इस पॉइंट पे? चल चल चल, अरे बता ना यार क्या करेगा इस पे? And I'm like, okay. And you know what happens? Subsequently, my mind, starts working in that particular direction. Okay, the speaker did this good, and I have to provide him with this commendation. He did this sort of a mistake, so probably this mistake for this recommendation for him with examples. In addition to this, Toastmaster Samir Agarwal has created an ecosystem. Listen to it carefully. An ecosystem wherein Prachi tells me, okay, Anmol, so probably your vocab is going a bit good these days. So why don't you put up the word for the day? And I'll put the word for the day. And all of them will get together and make sentences, analyze their mistakes, and move forward. So this is a thing wherein we are mentees and mentors as well in our own respective capacities. So effective listening and delegation are two of the important life skills and Toastmaster skills I have learned from my mentor, Toastmaster Samir Agarwal. Now, I came in as a guest in Himachal Bhavan to attend my first Toastmasters meeting on 13th of March 2019. And the first person I met said to me, Mr. Guest, can we have your introduction? And I was like, okay, hi, my name is Anmol Arora. I got to know about Toastmasters from YouTube. And here I am to become a better public speaker and a communicator and capitalize on my human potential. And his reaction was, Londe mein dum hai. The guy has potential. And his reaction was so jovial that I still can't get it out of my mind. He's none other than Toastmaster Rahul Girdhar, the president of TMND for the term January to June of 2019. And Toastmaster Rahul, whenever I asked Toastmaster Rahul, oh Rahul Bhaiya, thank you so much, I won the role this time. He's like, okay, great, many congratulations. And when I said, oh Rahul Bhaiya, I think I'm going through this particular stress, can you help me out with it? He's like, don't worry, it's going great. And you know what? He's basically like, have you seen kids having Kinder Joy? He for me is basically Kinder Joy in human form. He's happy, jovial, and a majority reason for it is also that he's a budding stand-up comedian and a budding, he's there to make people laugh. He has taught me the flow concept, that is to be equanimous in every situation of life, despite of good or the bad. Second one, the second thing that he taught me was to go into a roles as simple as that of a listener with good amount of innovative research. So I remember he on a call he said to me, "Arey Anmol yaar, और ढूंढना है यार कोई और तरीका. Hey Anmol, come on, find some more ways. Come on, make some more innovation." So it kind of got into my system one more time that okay, I need to probably you know chill a bit, get more research done, and on the basis of the permutations or combinations, get my input up. So that was the two initial boosts for me in my Toastmasters journey. And with mentorship under Toastmaster Rahul Girdhar, I had to take roles. And I had to take roles from one of the most iconic members. And she also happened to be the Vice President Education from July to December of 2019. And now the Madam President, none other than Toastmaster Tanya Gandhi, who, who explained to me every role, such as a listener. She used to be like on a phone, "Hey, Anmol, this is the voice note. Okay, you have to give introduction to this. But remember one thing, you don't have to give introduction like, okay, I am the grammarian for the day or I am the listener for the day. You have to create a platform around it, build it so that the audience can gauge, okay, this particular guy can do this. This particular guy is here for the listening skills. He's going to be asking the questions." So that is what I learned from it, removing the already kept preconceived notions from the mind of the audiences. She looks like Alia Bhatt from Gunde. And whenever I hear about Biswa Kalyan's special Mast Admi from Amazon, Mast Ladki comes to my mind when I think of Toastmaster Tanya Gandhi. So God bless you, Toastmaster Tanya Gandhi. May you have a great journey as a president. Last but not the least, my fourth mentor, Toastmaster, who doesn't, shake hand like this. He shakes hand like this. Hello, nice meeting you. I'm Toastmaster Madhusudan Bansal. Toastmaster Madhusudan Bansal gives opportunities to new mentees. He says, "यार अब तुम्हें ना club के बाहर भी जाने का है. एक बाहर भी दुनिया है. You guys need to go out of the club because there is a world outside of the club as well." And second, he says that customized problem should be solved for everyone. You should benefit from it, and the others should benefit from it. So on that note, I'm done with this. May God bless all the mentors. This was my Dil Ki Baat. Over to fantastic TMOD Toastmaster. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anmol.